The Lok Sabha on July 29th passed the Public Examination Prevention of Unfair Means Amendment Bill 2026, introducing stricter penalties for paper leak offences, including imprisonment of up to 10 years and a fine of 50 lakh rupees. The bill was passed after a heated debate as opposition members shouted slogans. The amendment bill was introduced in the House on July 27th by Union Minister Jitendra Singh, days after large-scale student protests led by the Cockroach Janata Party resulted in the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan as the Union Education Minister. Replying to the debate in the Lok Sabha, Jitendra Singh said the government had acted swiftly in the NEET paper leak case and added that 52 FIRs had been registered since the Public Examination Prevention of Unfair Means Act came into force in 2024. He emphasized that the amendment reflected the government's willingness to learn from experience and further strengthen the existing law. He also stated that the number of suicides linked to the paper leak incidents had declined in recent years. During the debate, leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, accused Union Home Minister Amit Shah of authorizing the firing on student protesters during the alleged police crackdown. The remarks triggered strong protests from BJP members who demanded that Rahul Gandhi provide evidence to substantiate his allegations or apologize to the House. Following the exchange, Lok Sabha Speaker Birla ordered Gandhi's remarks to be removed from the official records of the House. The House was adjourned for the day after the bill was passed. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.